Ang umuunlad na ekonomiya ng ating bansa ang naging hudyat para sa Turkish companies and businessmen para magsimula na mag-invest sa ating bansa. Kaya naman, naging aktibo ang Turkish Chamber of Commerce of the Philippines or TCCP para lalo pang mapatatag ang business and trade relationship ng Turkey at ng Pilipinas. Sa pangunguna ng TCCP President, Mr. Irfan Karabulot, patitibayin nito ang ugnayan sa pagitan ng Turkey and Filipino businessmen sa pamamagitan ng business matching at business trips sa Turkey ng mga Pilipinong businessmen, gayon din ang pagbisita ng mga Turkish businessmen sa ating bansa. Naniniwala ang mga Filipino businessmen na dapat magkaroon ang ating bansa ng maayos na trade relations sa Turkey dahil ito ay isa sa may pinakamalaking ekonomiya sa Europa. Nasa mahigit 6,000 ang ating OFW sa Turkey. Karamihan ay mga white-collar job. Ang Confederation of Businessmen and Industrialists of Turkey o ang tinatawag nating TUSCON ay isang non-government and non-profit umbrella organization na kinabibilangan ng 7 business federations at 162 business associations. Ang TUSCON ang pinakamalawak na business NGO or non-government organization sa Turkey, representing 34,500 business people at
stronger improving. If you look at our foreign trade $300 million, but already we have many agreements with energy sector, with construction sector, food sector, some invest sector with CDA, so just almost $1 billion, many international school. The school we are not using for the Turkish people, that's international work here. We are ready to export, to import with Filipino peoples, with Filipino businessmen.